What if I told you that you can make $1,000 every single week selling other people's products and getting a commission for it? They handle the customer service and everything like that. All you got to do is drive traffic to it and get commissions, right? So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy, the one and only Drell here, coming at you with another video today. And in this video right here, I want to talk to you guys about how I'm making $1,000 a week selling other people's products, aka affiliate marketing, man. I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how you can do it as well. So make sure that you watch this whole video. It's gonna be a good one, man. Now, before we get down to business, I just want to announce what this channel is actually about. Like, this channel is all about entrepreneurship, making money online, and just helping the black community in general, man. Because when I started, it was hard, man. It was really no channels putting out this type of content, just helping you guys out. So I'm just trying to be the person I needed when I was younger. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and join the Black Hustlers Club. But now that we got that out the way, I'm gonna hop into my computer and I'm gonna show you guys proof that I'm making money with affiliate marketing and $1,000 a week. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the same thing. Alright, so check me out. I'm on my computer right now, and the first thing that you need to do is sign up for a website called Clickbank.com. It's absolutely free. All you gotta do is come over to create an account and create your account, fill out all the info and everything like that, and then you're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna log into my account and let me just sign in real quick so that you can see my stats on Clickbank. So as you can see right here, I've been able to generate some decent money on Clickbank. So as you can see, this week I made $986. This week over $600. This week I made close to $2,500 in a single week. This week over $1,000 and over $1,000 again this week. So I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing. And as you can see, my stats from the day-to-day basis. Earlier this month, actually, I made over $1,000 in a single day. That was actually this week right here. So that's why this number is kind of big compared to the other numbers, because in a single day I made over $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So that's just proof that you can make some money selling other people's products. And let me actually refresh the page so you know everything's legit. And I'll do it one more time, and boom. So as you can see, everything stayed the same. These are actual real numbers. So now that you see the proof, you know what's possible. You can even make more than me. I'm not saying I'm the best at this or anything like that. You can make way more than me if you put your mind to it. So what you need to do, right, first thing that you need to do is you need to find a product. You need to find a niche and find a product to promote. So what you need to do is you need to come over to the marketplace. Now I do want to say that this did take time. Like, this definitely took time. Like, my first year online, it took me a year to get my first sale. Like, my whole first year I didn't make a sell online doing Clickbank affiliate marketing. My second year I was still struggling. Now this is like my third year doing this, and this, you can see the results now, but it took time to get here. So don't think that you could just start right away and just see $1,000 in a week, because it doesn't work like that. It builds up over time. But I'm about to show you guys some shortcuts that you can take. Like, I wish I knew these shortcuts when I first started, because I would have made my first sale way sooner. Like, it's not going to take you a year to get your first sale if you actually apply the methods that I'm about to teach you guys. So what you need to do is you need to find a niche and find a product to promote. Now it depends on what niche that you want to go into. So I recommend you picking a niche that you actually care somewhat about. So they got the health and fitness niche, they got the spirituality niche, the self-help. So the top three niches, right, the evergreen niches online are health and fitness, making money online, and relationships. Because who doesn't want to get healthier? Who doesn't want to make more money? And who doesn't want to find love, right? So those are the top three niches, right? So I recommend you picking one of those niches, or you could do the spirituality niche as well. I've had some good success with the spirituality niche. But let's just say you're going to be in the health and fitness niche, right? That's very popular. Now what you want to do to find the best products in this niche is you just want to search it by gravity, right? You come over here and search it by gravity. Now the gravity score on this product, it just shows how many people have successfully sold this product in the last couple weeks. So as you can see, the gravity on this product right here is over 500, man. That's insane. Like, that's the best I've ever seen on Clickbank. So that means over 500 people have successfully sold this product in the last couple weeks. So that means you could do it as well. If over 500 people have done it, you could do it as well, man. Like, and as you can see, the average sell on it is $61, and you get an average commission of 48% of the sale, right? So we scroll down, Cinderella solution, average sale $39, and the gravity on it is 327. So you just want to come over here and just look at the products and just look around to see what product best fits you and the content that you're going to be putting out. So for me, I'm gonna give you guys an example on how you can drive traffic and make content for a particular product, right? So for me, I used Instagram. Like when I first started off, man, I used Instagram heavy. I was marketing through Instagram with free traffic. So you don't even need money to get started with this at all. You can start an Instagram account, build that up, and drive traffic to the offer and start making commissions. So I'm gonna pull up one of my Instagram accounts so that you can see an example of this. So one of my accounts, right, not the Black Hustlers Club, this is a different account, right? So this is Daily Motivational 8. I got almost 53 followers on this account, right? And as you can see, it's like a motivational type account. And as you can see, the type of content that I'm posting on this page. And the thing is, I'm promoting a Clickbank product on this account. So if you click this link right here, they get taken to a sales page, and this sales page is a Clickbank product. I'm gonna see if I can see real quick. So as you can see, at the bottom left right here, you can see that it's a Clickbank product. So I'm actively doing this method myself. So you can create you an Instagram account in the health and fitness niche. You can create you a relationship account. You can create you a spiritual page like I did. Whatever niche that you want to get into, right? You just want to create you an Instagram account and just start posting content on there. So as you can see, I've made a lot of posts. I made over 1,000 posts on this page, man. And every single post, you can drive traffic to your Clickbank offer. You can add a call to action inside your post. It's telling people to click the link in your bio. You can do some promo posts on your page, and you can DM your followers as well. Just DM your followers, just introducing yourself, figuring out their needs, and then you can sell them on the Clickbank product as well. But the main thing is you want to build up an account in this particular niche. You don't want to be all over the place, man. So as you can see, this page is all about spirituality. I'm not posting health and fitness content on here. I'm not really posting love content on here as well. I'm just posting things about motivation and spirituality, right? So you want to do the same thing. If you're in the health and fitness niche, just post strictly workout videos or like this health and fitness content. You don't want to be posting anything else but that, so you can get the right type of audience. And then what you want to do is you just want to add value, man. Value is extremely important. This is how you're going to get the most sales, right? You got to add value to people's lives. So when you're posting, add value inside the captions, add value. When you DMing them, add value to them. Just figure out their needs and just help them out, right? You don't want to just be spamming your affiliate links or anything like that, because you just won't get sales that way. You got to provide value up front, and then people gonna know, like, and trust you. That's the key. They gotta know, like, and trust you. So through your posts, provide value, and then once you actually do sell them on the Clickbank product, like this link right here. And in order to get this link, if you guys are like brand new to Clickbank, all you had to do, right, is you go over to Clickbank, you hit promote, right, and then you get generate hot links right here. You click this button, and then you get your link, right? So as you can see, this link is ugly, right? So what you want to do is you want to copy this link. You want to go over to tinyurl.com, and then you just want to shorten that link, right? So boom, as you can see, the link is short, and this is the link that you want to add in your Instagram bio. So as you can see, it's a tiny URL link, right? So I did the same thing, right? And this product that I'm promoting on this page is called Overnight Millionaire. Just in case you were wondering, you gotta go over to self-help, over here to self-help, and it's called Overnight Millionaire. And this is a product that I've been promoting heavy lately, and as you can see, I made over $4,000, well actually over $5,000 with upsells and everything like that with this product in the last couple weeks. So this is a product that's converting like crazy. So I encourage you guys to start a motivational page, start a health and fitness page. If you don't want to be in a motivational niche, you can start a health and fitness page, a love page, like a relationship type page as well, and just promote Clickbank products on that page. But you got to get value up front, or they just simply won't buy from you. Now I do make some money using paid traffic as well. So this is one of the free traffic methods that I use. I use Instagram, just promoting Clickbank products through Instagram, different Instagram accounts, like in the health and fitness niche, the spirituality niche. As you can see, this one right here, this is the way that I make money for free using Clickbank, right? And I also have a YouTube channel and everything like that, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. I just want to talk about Instagram. Now I do make some money doing paid traffic as well. So my strategy was, right, for the first year and a half, I didn't have much money, man. I'm gonna just be honest with you. I was struggling, right? So I just did all free traffic using Instagram, using YouTube, using these free traffic platforms, right? and then I used that money to pay for paid traffic later on. But it took me a year and a half to actually start running paid traffic. So if you're a complete beginner, I recommend starting with free traffic and then just keep stacking your bread up until you can actually invest in paid traffic. Now, paid traffic is how you're going to get to $1,000 a week, but it does take time and money to get there. Now, if you guys want me to make a video on how to make some money on Clickbank using paid traffic, comment down below and let me know, man. Let me know, and I'll actually make the video for you guys so that you guys can invest your money that you're making from free traffic and the paid traffic. So just let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, this was just like a general overview of Clickbank. I'm gonna go over it one more time because I know I moved kind of fast. First thing you want to do is create you a Clickbank account. It's completely free. Next thing you want to do is head over to the marketplace and you want to pick the niche that you're going to be in. Now, the best niches, like I said, are health and fitness niche, the relationship niche, the make money online niche, and the spirituality niche. You want to build you an Instagram account in one of those niches, right? As you can see on this page, if you're going to be in the spirituality niche, you can model after my page. I don't care, man. You can still post if you want. Just model after this page if you're going to be in the spirituality niche. Or if you're going to be in the health and fitness niche, for example, just type in health and fitness and just look at the top pages in your niche. So I'm going to just click on this profile. This is not really a big page. Let me just type in health and scroll down real quick. Alright, so I found that account, right? So as you can see, this page got 262,000 followers. You just want to model after this page. You want to model after successful pages in your niche, and you can actually take some of their photos as well and just tag them in the photo. That's all you gotta do, is tag them in the photo. Just give them credit for it, right? So once you build your Instagram account, once you got a couple thousand followers on your Instagram account, you can start promoting products. Now, it's very, very important that you give value on your account. You don't just want to be spamming or anything like that. Give value up front, and then you can start selling on your page. Now, to sell on your page, all you gotta do, once you found your product, you want to hit the promote button. So let me go to a product. You want to hit the promote button, copy your link, place that link in tiny URL right here, tiny URL, and then put that link in your Instagram bio. And then from there, you can just direct people to that link, right? So you can DM people, you can post some content on your page about the product, just telling people to click the link in your bio and everything like that to start generating some sales on Clickbank. So I hope that you found this video valuable, man. Like I said, if you guys want to see a paid traffic video on how I promote Clickbank products, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions about Clickbank as well, just hit me up on Instagram or drop them in the comment section below and I'll answer you guys' questions as well. But if you found this video valuable, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.